it's time to leave this beautiful property and head to Colorado. On my way to Pagosa Springs today. Little pups. You guys ready to get into the Rocky Mountains, see some snow? Just don't say anything if you agree. Alright. Gotta make one pit stop before I leave Santa Fe. Bolton's Bakery, man, they have got the best bagels ever. This is so cool. This is along the side of the road on the highway on the way from Santa Fe north up to Pagosa Springs, where I'm headed. And it's Georgia O'Keeffe's home museum and studio. It's that kind of modern building right there where my van's parked. And I've always wanted to pop in, and I never have, which is kind of crazy because she's pretty prolific and painted this area extensively, which is super cool. There's a little inn here. It's a really pretty little spot. Glad I stopped by. It's Georgia O'Keeffe's actual camping gear, which is really cool. I'm sure using it. Really, really pretty facility. Hey man, thanks for the information and the hospitality. Really cool place. I think I'm gonna do that Ghost Ranch drive.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. All right. Have a good Christmas. Jasper? Alright, it's time for my Bolton's bagel. These things are bonkers. I get them every time I am in Santa Fe. I'm convinced they're the best bagel this side of the Mississippi. And they are green chili bagels with cheese baked into them and green chili cream cheese, and they make everything. I think I talked to the owner a long time ago and he said something, I think he was from like Minnesota. He has these theories about bagels and like how they are, but I'm telling you, man, they're freaking good. Hey, it's the Rockies. John Denver wasn't full of crap. Not too bad cruising with these little dudes by my side. Just pulling into Pagosa Springs, and there should be snow everywhere. time nevertheless. Beautiful little town. What do you think? So I made it to this really cool place where I like to stay outside of Pagosa Springs. It's called Elk Trace Bed and Breakfast. It's run by this lady named Evelyn. She's super cool and really sweet. Remembered me from last year and my dog, and now I have 2 dogs. So that was really cool. Check out her property. It's kind of beautiful. So last year this place was completely covered in snow, which was really, really pretty. Everything sparkled in the sunshine. It looked like there was like glitter all over everything. It was pretty magical, but I really kind of wanted to see that. But now that I'm here and can see it in a totally different way, it looks really pretty because you can see all the trees. So you've got white and green and blue, and then the mountains in the background. No complaints. Merry Christmas. Hope everybody's having a good day. Can't believe this place is open right now on Christmas Day. It's super cool. Merry steamy Christmas. I'm all about that hot springs life. And healing too. So that's a nice thing. Okay, where do I want to be? Where do I want to be? Thinking down by the river. It's cool. Yeah. For sure. Let's go look around. Yeah, I was here last year, super cool. You can actually get in the river. I tubed down it and then hung out under that one over there, which is kind of cool. But they're pretty weird about you getting too close to their property line, which they claimed was in the middle of the river, which I don't believe on any level whatsoever, that you'd own half of this river. But people will tell you strange things these days. All right, fun times, about to take the plunge. I had the absolute best day at the hot springs. So much gratitude for today. Merry Christmas, everybody. Woo! Really blessed to chill with these people. We're invited to dinner. Oh yeah.